This week, we're tackling one of Alaska's most rugged drives, the Old Denali Highway. This 135-mile stretch of road used to be the only way to reach Denali National Park, and we're giving ourselves just 2 days to explore it. After spending our first night right outside of Paxson, so I knew you guys were not going to believe me, but it's literally 11:27 at night right now. So bright out, and we are very excited for our adventure tomorrow.
It's so hard to go to bed, it's so bright out.
As we drive the highway, we're stopping at remote lodges, finding some epic wild camping spots, and even stumbling into a unique, unexpected tour that we didn't even know existed in Alaska. I can't hear anything! The Old Denali Highway is full of surprises, and we can't wait to share it with you.
I'm ready. I'm so excited.
We just made it to the most beautiful wayside rest. There's incredible lakes, there's a glacier, the most beautiful spot we've been to so far.
They're not open.
Oh, really?
11 a.m.
Yeah, it's not gonna work.
Oh, we can't get coffee? I thought they were open.
Bummer.
Bummer. Never mind, my eyes are getting bad. It says 8 a.m. Let's go get some coffee.
Tell Tyler in the comments to go get his eyes checked because he won't listen to me.
I will. Good thing Deborah has better eyes than me. I got my coffee. It's a little hot.
You do it.
You want me to?
Because I don't think I can reach that.
That's probably true. I can hardly.
Where are you gonna put it?
I don't know. Where should I put it? If you're on the Denali Highway, find us.
We should probably get new stickers though. Those are really old.
Yeah, those are like when we first started.
If you know any good sticker designers, let us know.
Yeah.
Alright, there it is.
Do something about it.
Aww. We're McLaren Lodge.
McLaren Lodge?
Yeah. We think it's that.
Yeah, there's the airboats.
That's what we're doing, airboat tours.
I'm so excited.
The most exciting thing we're doing this morning is a airboat glacier tour. Tyler and I have never done an airboat tour here in Alaska. We've done one once in Florida, but this is gonna be super exciting.
I'm ready. I'm so excited.
That is our boat.
If you see any wildlife, tap me on the shoulder. We won't be able to hear each other.
You ready?
I'm ready. Nervous, but ready.
Nervous? Haha. Front row.
That's actually my trail.
Oh, really?
Okay.
Sorry! That's so funny.
It really happens. Profit. Don't feel bad.
I have to have ear protection.
I can't hear anything. As we began our journey to the glacier, all I could think about was how different this was from Florida. We didn't see any wildlife other than this flock of birds, but the views more than made up for it. And as we zoomed across the blue glacier river below us, all around us, we could see sandbars dotted with wildflowers, green hills, and majestic rolling mountains. It was absolutely stunning. And before we knew it, it was time for us to jump off the airboat and go on a little hike to get even closer to the glacier. Goodbye, airboat.
Airboat. How'd you like your first airboat ride?
It was good. Got a little bit scary at the end when it got more rapidy, but it was fun. The views are insane out here, and we are literally the only ones. It's us and our guide Zach, and we're the only ones out here. Absolutely incredible.
It's crazy.
I'm in awe. You've got like rapids, you've got the glacier, mountains everywhere.
Wow.
Beautiful. Definitely do this tour if you're doing the Denali Highway. So the story goes that many, many years ago, there was a family of McLarens that tented here one winter. Apparently they all died except for Old Man McLaren, and he ended up moving back to Scotland, but they named the valley, the glacier, the summit all after him. And supposedly there's still McLarens to this day that come and visit the area just because it's named after their family. Pretty cool fun fact.
We'll go back out that way.
Okay.
He told us the way back's gonna be a bit bumpier, so I'm gonna hold on. Since we're already at McLaren Lodge, we decided to come in and have lunch. Tyler ordered the BLT and I got their barbecue pulled pork special. We figured there aren't going to be many other places to eat along the highway, so we might as well stop here.
I'm so hungry. I'm so excited.
After lunch, we made our way almost to the end of the Old Denali Highway. We have about 35-40 miles left, but we found this incredible free camping spot with a view of a glacier. It's on this bluff, so we have this incredible panoramic view, and we couldn't pass it up. So we're setting up camp for the night, and I almost forgot, on the way over here, we saw a bunny. He was so cute.
He was really cute.
He was just like licking the road and just hanging out with us. And it was really cute. Anyways, Tyler's gonna set up camp and then we are gonna have some dinner.
All right, so Deborah is chilling in our tent. I'm just exploring our campground area. There's a nice little pond over here. There's a sign, so I'll go see what that says. Maybe it'll tell us what the name of that glacier is that we can see in the distance. This is pretty cool. I found some blueberries by the lake, so I'm gonna pick some and bring some for Deborah for a snack. Deborah, I got you the blueberry.
Did you really?
Yeah, I don't think it's totally ripe yet.
It's so cute.
Want it?
No.
Oh.
Oh, you want me to?
No.
No.
I'll try it. It's not ripe yet.
I feel so bad now.
Oh.
Actually, now I don't.
Still sour.
That face says it all. I don't feel bad about not eating his blueberry anymore.
No?
No, that looked not yummy. I cannot get over how bright it is right now. I don't know if you guys can see it. All right, there's Tyler enjoying dinner.
Mm-hmm.
And up there in the middle of the sky still is the sun. It's like 7 p.m.
Yeah, probably like 7:30 now.
Mm-hmm. Tyler made us some s'mores. Cheers.
Good?
So good.
Whoa.
Aren't the big marshmallows good?
They are. I almost didn't let her get them, but they're good.
The jumbos. It's the way to go. Good morning from day 2 here on the Old Denali Highway. We actually got up and at it really early this morning because Tyler saw a storm coming. So Tyler's already put the tent down. We've got breakfast again, same as yesterday. And hopefully the last 30 miles of the highway will actually see some wildlife. That's my like big hope for this.
I hope just for you that we see some wildlife.
I know. Anyways, we're gonna eat breakfast. We're gonna enjoy the last 30 miles of the Old Denali Highway. And we're gonna complete this like kind of like bucket list thing of ours.
Yeah. I've always wanted to drive it.
Yeah, we're gonna get going. You forgot all about the Christmas tree.
I did. What is the Christmas tree about?
It's just a tree that locals decorate and keep Christmas ornaments on year-round.
Oh, it's a tree that the locals decorate and keep Christmas ornaments on year-round.
I think they heard me.
I know, I was just sounding smart. We made it the last 30 miles, even though we didn't see any wildlife. We have finally made it to the end. It stops in like the city of Cantwell. There's not really a whole lot to do here, but we made it all the way from mile 1 to 135 of the Old Denali Highway.
Woo!
Woo!
Yay!
So now we're gonna go get lunch at Jam Jams.
All right, Jam Jams is jammin'. We got nachos, Tyler got the smash burger, and as always, thanks so much for watching. This is where our adventure ends today before we head back to Anchorage. So if you liked watching, make sure to subscribe, and we'll see you guys next week when we go halibut fishing. Bye.